Alright, y'all. Fantastic auto repair once again. Part 2. Alternator is on. New alternator. Car start. No problem. No, it's brakes time. Customer complained that brakes squeaking bad. Old brakes. No brakes. No brakes. New brakes. So yeah, so we gotta change brakes now. As you can see, the caliper, I'm gonna push the caliper back. I'm gonna push it back and go from there. Alrighty. Anybody need brake change, alternator, starter, rotor, tune up, oil change? Fantastic auto repair once again. Alrighty.